Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the monthly time frame, I still think this looks like the end of a wave 3. If that's the case, and we are very likely due for a very overlapping pattern, I think it's going to make its way down to about the 50% area in an ABC of wave 4 before it actually goes back up and makes that wave 5. But keep in mind this is the monthly, so it's going to take a very long time for this to all play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still personally think this is all one big downtrend, most likely a wave A of wave 4. I still don't even see any evidence that the wave A of 4 is over. Eventually, I do think it is going to go up and make a crutch into the move down for like a wave B, but I'm not really convinced that the wave A is over yet. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Now we never did break structure to the upside, which is why I still think this is all just one big trend. Now, if it goes down to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels like this and makes a big engulfing push to the upside, then at that point, yeah, I definitely would turn back into a buyer. And it probably would tell us that it's going up for wave C of wave B. But for now, I'm still, especially looking at all yen pairs, looking at this as a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, and likely going down to make another attempt down for a wave 5. Most likely all still a wave A of wave 4 on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I definitely would be looking for shorts right now. And every time it makes a new swing low, I would move my structure down. And if it did break structure to the upside, I would definitely turn into a buyer. If we get that nice Fibonacci bounce and a nice engulfing move to the upside, especially if it's a break of structure, I definitely would turn back into a buyer. But for now, I am still looking for shorts. I still think there's a good chance that it might just drift on down and eventually take out the previous lows. So going right down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I'm definitely looking for shorts. There's been some pretty decent little shorting opportunities over the last couple of weeks on this, even though it is fairly overlapping. I mean, if you went short every single time this thing, made a 3 waves up and a nice engulfing move to the downside, then you definitely would have made some significant profits. I would keep a very close eye on my Fibonacci levels, but I would definitely continue to look for 1, 2, 3 waves up, go short. 1, 2, 3 waves up, go short. 1, 2, 3 waves up, go short. 1, 2, 3 waves up. 1, 2, 3 waves up. 1, 2, 3 waves up to go short for the continuation of this downtrend, which I still think is likely a wave 5 of wave A on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.